I prefer to be true to myself, even at the hazard of incurring the ridicule of others, rather than to be false, and to incur my own abhorrence. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. I didn't know I was a slave until I found out I couldn't do the things I wanted. Power concedes nothing without a demand. It never did and it never will. The soul that is within me no man can degrade. I would unite with anybody to do right and with nobody to do wrong. It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. I prayed for 20 years but received no answer until I prayed with my legs. The limits of tyrants are prescribed by the endurance of those whom they oppress. I didn't know what freedom was until I saw I didn't have it. It is not light that we need, but fire. It is not the gentle shower, but thunder. We need the storm, the whirlwind, and the earthquake. It is not enough to be free, you must strive to be good and wise. Slaves are generally expected to sing as well as to work. I have often sung to drown my sorrow, but seldom to express my happiness. The life of the nation is secure only while the nation is honest, truthful, and virtuous. Once you learn to read, you will be forever free. The white man's happiness cannot be purchased by the black man's misery. What to the slave is the 4th of July? The whole history of the progress of human liberty shows that all concessions yet made to her august claims have been born of earnest struggle. I expose slavery in this country, because to expose it is to kill it. Man's greatness consists in his ability to do and the proper application of his powers to things needed to be done. Knowledge makes a man unfit to be a slave. To suppress free speech is a double wrong. It violates the rights of the hearer as well as those of the speaker. I have often said that I would be a slave for life if I could thereby save the slaves. A man's rights rest in 3 boxes: the ballot box, the jury box, and the cartridge box. I am a Republican, a black, dyed-in-the-wool Republican, and I never intend to belong to any other party than the party of freedom and progress. I am not ashamed of my humble origin. What is possible for me is possible for you. Without a struggle, there can be no progress. The thing worse than rebellion is the thing that causes rebellion. No man can put a chain about the ankle of his fellow man without at last finding the other end fastened about his own neck. I know no class of my fellow men, however just, enlightened, and humane, which can be wisely and safely trusted absolutely with the liberties of any other class.